friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making Nutella Hot Chocolate. What we need is cocoa powder, Nutella, and milk. And I'm going to make it in a microwave, so it's super easy. So I'm just going to make 1 cup. So for that, we need 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of Nutella, and add milk to fill a cup. So basically I'm using Nutella as a sweetener because it's so sweet already. If you like your hot chocolate super sweet, you can always add more sugar, but I find this adds a perfect amount of sweetness for me because I don't like it super sweet. So just fill it with milk. And now microwave it until hot. So let's put it in the microwave. In my microwave, it takes 1 minute and 30 seconds. So whatever it takes in your microwave until hot, do that and heat it up, and then we'll mix it and we'll try it. So microwave is done cooking, so this hot chocolate is ready. So I'm just going to take it out of the microwave, and I will mix everything so it's combined. And I know some people add the dry cocoa powder after the milk is heated, but I just do it like this because it's so much easier. So just mix it until totally combined and the cocoa powder and Nutella is dissolved, making this delicious hot chocolate. Perfect. So now let's try it. Tastes amazing. It's so rich, so full of flavor, so delicious and easy to make. And I can taste Nutella in it. It's a perfect combination. And of course, if you want more Nutella flavor, instead of 1 tablespoon of Nutella, you can add 2 tablespoons. Totally up to you. You can be as creative as you like. This is so delicious, super easy. Please try it. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And to discuss easy recipes and post any cooking questions that I personally will answer, please visit my free online cooking club, everydaycookingclub.com. Again, it's everydaycookingclub.com. And please subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!